Welcome to our new transportation video. The most commonly asked question by tourists coming to Istanbul is how to get from the airport to the city center in the most convenient and easiest way. There are multiple options you can use apart from the metro, such as the airport buses, Havabus or Havabus, city buses and taxis. So you arrived in Sabiha Gökçen Airport, and what now? The cheapest way to go to the city center is by metro, which goes from the airport until Kadikoy, the heart of the Asian side. So, how will you access the metro? Once you get out of the arrival exit, if you turn to your left and walk straight until you reach the end, you will see an escalator going down, leading you to the metro. Always follow the labels Metroya gider, access to metro. To be able to use the metro, you will need an Istanbul transportation card, which we highly recommend, or you can also buy a one-go ticket, which is more expensive. To get more information about how to buy an Istanbulkart, check out our other Istanbulkart videos linked in the description. The metro ride from Sabiha Gökçen to Kadikoy takes approximately 50 to 60 minutes. If you are staying in Kadikoy, this is the best option you can use. However, if you stay at the European side, you have to switch transportation in Ayrılık Çeşmesi, which is the interchange station to the Marmaray line. The Marmaray line combines the Asian side to the European side, which gives you access to the most popular metro M2, going to Taksim, Osman Bey, Levent, etc. To get more information about the M2 metro, check out our other videos. Another option you can use are the Havabuses or Havabus. It is a bit more expensive than the metro and Marmaray combination, but way more comfortable as you won't need to switch to another system. So, where can you find these buses? When you get out of the airport from exit number 11 and 12, you will see directly across the road various bus stations. Each of them are marked to where they are going. You don't need to buy a ticket beforehand, you can directly pay by cash or card once you settled in the bus. Behind the buses, you will see the city buses. If you know exactly which city bus you have to take, you can find its number on the yellow labels at every bus station. You can also easily buy your tickets there as well. If you are planning to go to another city, like Bursa, you can also have a look at the intercity buses as well. The last option is the taxi, which is the most expensive one. You can see all the lined up taxis when you get out of the airport. As Sabiha Gökçen is far from the city center, we definitely do not recommend you to take the taxi, as you will be paying way too much due to the long distance. So here we came to the end of another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you at another transportation video.